Ready, set, go. Okay, so we offer a basic class to get folks comfortable in our waters around this area. And that involves all the paddling strokes, and it involves falling out and getting back in that boat, because it could happen. And so if for safety, that's the smallest increment that we could possibly teach somebody to get them out on the water. And then once they have that basic class, that opens up everything else. At the end of that weekend, they're going to know how to run rivers. It's just going to be a matter of learning how to do them in more difficult situations.